Hi there, this is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping, and I want you to prep now and prep hard. It's getting late. Did you ever say, I wish I had bought that stock at $2? Now it's $102, maybe 10 years later? Well, I'm telling you, you can do the same thing with food right now because prices are going up. And as you know, General Mills has said they were going to increase prices 20% or more. And then, according to CNN, Tyson Food, Kraft, Heinz, Procter & Gamble, Kimberly-Clark have all announced large price increases for 2022. They're all going to kind of wait till after the holiday season, till after Christmas. So inflation is just getting out of hand, and the price of groceries and basically everything else is really starting to get high. So I thought I would look at what exactly it means when you say 20%, 5%, etc. So I just did this rough outline for you. And let's look at the dollar store. We all know the dollar store has changed the prices from $1 to $1.25. And people are saying, well, it's only 25 cents more. But you know, some people actually have to live off the dollar store food. So let's say they could previously buy 20 items for $20. Now those same 20 items are going to cost $25. That's $5 more. If you were going to buy $100 worth of goods before the price increase, now it would cost you $125. So we're going from 100 to 125. That's a lot. 25 more a month, say, if it was every month you were spending that. Look at gasoline. It's over $1 increase from a year ago, over $1. If you use 10 gallons of gas, that's $10 more. And then I just picked some random items here. Eggs have gone up 11.6%. So a price a year ago was about $2.22. So now it's $2.48. Chicken has gone up 8.8%. So it was about $3.64. This was chicken breast tenderloins by Tyson. And now they're $3.96 for a package. Baby food, this is just one jar, has gone up 7.9%. So it was 87 cents before, now it's 94 cents for one jar of baby food. Cheerios, now these are the ones that are General Mills. General Mills has announced 20% increase in 2022. These prices are right now prices. These would be 2022. So Cheerios, 20% increase from $3.64 a box to $4.37. And I'm not even sure if they lowered the amount of ounces in each box. That's always a possibility too. Progresso soup, which is part of General Mills, it was $1.68, or right now it's $1.68, and it will go to $2.02. Betty Crocker cake mix was $1.20. Or is $1.20 right now. It'll go to $1.44. These are approximate, but if you add this all up, would cost you $13.25, and now it's going to cost $15.21. That's about a 14.8% increase. I mean, it's $2 more, but look, you're hardly getting anything for that $2 more. So this is just to give you an idea of when we say an 8% increase, how much it'll be. 11.6% increase, how much it's going to be. So based on these prices, you can see that food is going up. Energy is going to be going up. Furniture, everything is going up. Clothing, anything you want to buy. Used cars have gone way up. So instead of saying, I wish I bought that stock at $2, you can now say, I bought the food at $2, and now it's $2.40, which is a big increase, and that's only in 1 year. Think what it would be in 5 years or 10 years from now. So my advice to you is to prep now, prep hard, prep as much as you can, And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please like the video, comment, let us know what you think, and thank you for watching.